Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to the module. Okay, so we for some technical problem I couldn't finish that the last lecture completely. So just look at that. I'll continue from this lecture. There was some technical problem happened. So let's begin. Let's begin with the limitations and let's continue the limitations of the planning. All right, so this is the second last topic of this chapter. Then we will go to the uh, organizing thing. All right, so this is where I left that planning involves huge cost, where I talked about the scientific thing. Okay, the scientific logics and scientific analysis, and there are number of incidental costs as well, like an expenses of boardroom meetings, discussions with professional experts and preliminary investigations. See, ये सब चीजें ये बहुत ही ज्यादा important होती हैं. And you know, when sometimes we know that just a second. Yeah, so when sometimes we think that कि ये वाले expenses तो आप गिनो ही मत, तो when the meeting will happen, the boardroom meeting or something or the other, the meeting या फिर आप किसी professional experts से discuss कर रहे हैं, you know, कुछ भी आपका discussion चल रहा है, तो ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि जो experts जो भी होते हैं ना in anything, जो भी experts होते हैं, वो experts अपना what do I say, वो एक्सपर्ट्स अपने एडवाइसेस के लिए, डिस्कशंस के लिए दे चार्ज ओके पर आवर और पर डे और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो उसके एक्सपेंसेस हो सकते हैं, और भी आप प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्ट से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग, अगर ये सब जो डिस्कशन है ये फ्रूटफुल रहेगा नहीं रहेगा वो आपको नहीं पता, लेकिन यू हैव टू स्पेंड ऑन दीज कॉस्ट, राइट, फॉर प्लानिंग. If you need to plan something, you need to analyze, as I said, you need to have data, you need to analyze all those things. तो उन एनालिसिस के लिए जो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आपको यूज करने पड़ते हैं, दैट इज यू हैव टू अटेंड द मीटिंग्स, यू हैव टू हैव बोर्ड रूम मीटिंग्स जहाँ अपने लोग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू शेयर करेंगे, यू हैव टू हैव प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्ट्स जिनके साथ आप डिस्कस करेंगे. आपका प्रिलिमिनरी जो बिगिनिंग वाला इन्वेस्टिगेशन होता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हेन the investigation goes on and the investigation happens, तो वो आपके बैक टू बैक आपके जो डेटा है वो मैच कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं. इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के मतलब यू नो देयर इज नो सिंगल इन्वेस्टिगेशन, देयर आर एम्पल ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशंस हैपन इन डिफरेंट एरियाज, ओके, टू फाइंड आउट द वैलिडिटी, द वायबिलिटी ऑफ द प्लान, कि आपने जो प्लान बनाया है वो प्लान इस डेटा के हिसाब से इट इज एज पर डेटा और नॉट, इट इज जिस तरीके का उसका आपने एनालिसिस किया है, क्या वो मार्केट की एनालिसिस से मिल रहा है, या फिर ऐसा भी होता है कि जो एनालिसिस हमने किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपना प्लान बनाए. सो बेसिकली इट कंटेन्स ह्यूज कॉस्ट ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ प्लानिंग इज नॉट जस्ट कि यू नो you'll plan your schedule of a day. That is how you plan you plan for the organization. It is not the same. There are so many things, you have to hire so many people, then you have to put some cost in different ways, as I said. So it involves huge cost. Okay, and huge cost का मतलब सिर्फ पैसा financially नहीं, it costs time also. It is time consuming as well, right? All right, so that is the next one, that planning is time consuming process. Okay, now you will be asking that क्या है ये, तो ये आप कॉस्ट में भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज कॉस्ट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स मतलब प्राइजेस, मनी एंड द टाइम ऑल्सो. ओके, तो यू कैन इंक्लूड दैट, बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इसको आप अलग से ले लीजिए, बिकॉज इट इज रिटन इन योर बुक, so you can take it differently. So sometimes plans to be drawn up take so much of time that there is no much time left for the implementation. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है that you make plan और वो planning करने में ही आपको around 30 days लग गए एनालिसिस करने में, मार्केट को अंदर तक डेप्थ तक जाने में 30 days ऑलरेडी लग गए, आपकी कॉस्ट अच्छे से कवर हो गई, मतलब प्लानिंग में प्लानिंग अच्छा करने के लिए, इम्पोर्टेंट करने के लिए, एंड गॉड नोज व्हाट हैपेंस. तो मतलब इतना सब कुछ करने के लिए यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ प्लान, बड़े बड़े प्लान तो आपने बना लिए, बट जब when the moment come for the implementation, you don't have that much time. The implementation is very important, all right. The other see, these are the limitations. And limitation में सबसे बड़ी बात तो यही है कि see, you have planned so many things. Suppose you have read the syllabus of yours, okay, the new syllabus, suppose, okay. I don't think so पुराना वाला इतने टाइम में किसी ने देखा भी होगा. So जो 30% डिडक्ट हो गया है, you have read this, okay, so this 30% has been deducted, right? Then now one suppose let's take this is A, okay. So what is she doing कि हर दिन एक टॉपिक उठा रही है कोई भी, और उसकी डेट तय कर रही है कि ये मैं इतने दिन में करूंगी, इसका कंसेप्ट इतने दिन में होगा, इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस इतने दिन में हो जाएगी, ये मैं इतने घंटे में करूंगी. और इस तरीके से बड़ा ही यू नो डीप प्लान बना रही है, बिल्कुल अच्छे से, मतलब लाइक बहुत ही जबरदस्त वाला प्लान शी इज मेकिंग. ऑलराइट, शी इज एनालाइजिंग लास्ट ईयर पेपर्स slowly, gradually. She's analyzing the last year papers, that what happened. Okay, she is analyzing the results. She is analyzing the weightage of the topics, ठीक है, of the chapters also, which has been written. Okay, वो लिखा हुआ आता है anyway. So ये सब कुछ वो analyze कर रही है, and it takes like, मतलब इतना gradually, धीरे धीरे वो करेंगी तो it will around take, वो नवंबर दिसंबर तक तो पहुंच ही जाएंगी for sure. That you agree with me? Because इतना धीरे धीरे आप प्लान करोगे, then when will you start? Will you start on January for the exams of April? जनवरी में भी लोग रिवीजन करते हैं, and that moment you will start implementing your plan. मतलब I hope you get this, that it consumes lots of time, so that आपको implementation का least time मिला, बिल्कुल बहुत कम time मिला. Okay, so you are getting कि implementation सबसे ज्यादा important है. So visualize your plan. एक लिमिटेड टाइम होना चाहिए, इट शुड नॉट बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, इट शुड बी लिमिटेड. और ये 12th वाला एग्जाम्पल में तो बिल्कुल लिमिटेड ही होना चाहिए प्लानिंग के लिए. तो एटलीस्ट आई टोल्ड यू, देयर इज दिस लेक्चर, डेमो लेक्चर ऑफ माइन, वेयर आई सेड कि प्लीज एनालाइज 11th क्लास के सब्जेक्ट्स आपके, ये सब करिए, बट टेक अ लिमिटेड टाइम, not waste on planning only. You have to implement, and implementation is very important. All right, so that is what this limitation is. Next, planning does not guarantee success. Okay, so this is what we itni limitations dekh liye, to that is what we have get, that planning does not guarantee success. Okay, the success of an enterprise is only possible when plans are properly drawn. First, yeah, properly drawn is the thing. Plan should be properly drawn, but it should be implemented properly also. तब जाके जैसे आपने बनाया है उस हिसाब से सब कुछ चला तो आप अच्छे से इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाएंगे. और अच्छे से अगर आपने इम्प्लीमेंट कर लिया तो हो सकता है कि आपको जो है वो सक्सेस मिल जाए. लेकिन एज आई सेड कि जितने अपने प्लान्स बनाए थे, कुछ अनप्रेडिक्टेबल अनसर्टेन बैरियर्स होते हैं जो कि बिल्कुल सर्टेन नहीं होते हैं. वी डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट दिस, वी हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दोस. तो वो जो चेंजेस होते हैं, वो चेंजेस विल अकर नो मैटर व्हाट हाउ स्ट्रैटेजिक यू आर. तो इनके कारण आपका प्लान, मतलब देयर इज नो गारंटी दैट योर प्लान विल गेट सक्सीड, बिकॉज क्योंकि बहुत अनसर्टेनिटी है, बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी है. तो यू वोंट हैव एनी आइडिया दैट व्हाट चेंज विल हैपन, एंड द चेंज क्या क्या है वो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. ओके, सो अगर कोई गारंटी नहीं है तो आपकी सक्सेस के हाई चांसेस नहीं है. Okay, there are not high chances of getting success by the plan only. बिकॉज जब तक आपका प्लान अच्छे से बनेगा नहीं, दैट इज ट्रू, प्लान अच्छा होना चाहिए, प्लान स्ट्रैटेजिक होना चाहिए, इम्प्लीमेंट भी अच्छे से होना चाहिए. एनी प्लान नीड टू बी ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू एक्शन और इट बिकम्स मीनिंगलेस. सी, आप कोई भी प्लान बनाइए, कोई भी प्लान यू फॉर्म, ओके, you have to translate it into action. Okay, then your action will speak louder than your words. As I say, right, ये बहुत ही अच्छा quote है. Your action, you can write in a notebook also. I believe in this quote. Louder than your words. So आपके वर्ड्स क्या है? आपका प्लानिंग. ठीक है, योर प्लान इज योर वर्ड, जो आपने ऑलरेडी दे दिया है कि ये हमारा विजन है, हमें इतना काम करना है, हमें ऐसे करना है, हमें वैसे करना है, व्हाटएवर. ओके, नाउ अभी these will not speak. The thing you will follow, the action you will make, that will speak up in front of everybody. Okay, the action will speak. तो जो आपने words बोले हैं, you have to implement it in a very good way, otherwise it would be meaningless, it will be null and void, it won't matter even. Okay, there will be no meaning of that. So basically what I meant to say is कि कोई भी plan हो, कितना भी मतलब, सी, इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी टू ड्रॉन अप वेरी वेल. ओके, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी उतना ही अच्छा होना चाहिए, और अगर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होता है फॉर एनी रीजन, तो देयर इज नो गारंटी ऑफ सक्सेस. ओके, so managers have a tendency to rely on previously tried and tested successful plans. It is not always true that just because a plan has worked before it will work again. See, managers जो भी होते हैं, वो मैनेजर की क्या सबकी टेंडेंसी होती है, चाहे वो मैनेजर हो, चाहे वो कोई स्टूडेंट हो, ठीक है, चाहे वो कोई पेरेंट हो, या फिर कोई टीचर हो जैसे कि मैं हूँ, तो कोई भी होता है, तो ये हम सबकी टेंडेंसी है कि we'll see the old results, right, with the old plans. Now what happens is कि अपन उसी को वापस अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि चलो ठीक है, वहां ये हुआ है तो यहाँ भी होगा, पर there is not necessarily there is not necessity that this will happen. Okay, there is no necessity of this, because जरूरी नहीं है कि ऐसा होगा ही होगा. See, I can give you example of जैसे कि जो आपका जो सपोज आपकी फैमिली में कोई आप 12th का आपका कोई कजन है, योर कजन हैज स्कोर्ड लाइक 99% in 12th. Okay, now for sure when you will come in 12th and you having commerce subject, he is also having commerce subject, your parent will tell you to take guidance from that person who has scores 99% in the 12th board. That is for sure. I am very sure that you will all agree to me, because this is what happens in the family, this is what happened with me, and this is what I did with so many people. Okay, when I topped my college, so this is what happened. तो ये होता ही है, तो ये होता है, तो what parents think that probably you will get a very good guidance. Okay, तो it might work for you, तो उसके लिए काम करेगा, तुम्हारे लिए भी काम करेगा, right? But ऐसा बिल्कुल भी जरूरी नहीं है that it will work upon you also. See, everybody has different frequency, different tendencies. So जब ऐसा होता है ना कि मैनेजर को लगता है कि पुराना वाला काम तो कर गया था, सक्सेसफुल हो गया था, क्योंकि अपन ने पहले देखा हुआ है, तो अभी भी ये कर लेते हैं. इट डजंट इट इज जो भी प्लान है वो जरूरी नहीं है कि इट विल वर्क अगेन in the different circumstances. Similarly, जरूरी नहीं है जो tactics, जो notes, जो strategy 99% वाले ने बनाई, वो अगर आप बनाएंगे तो it will work for you. मतलब like there is no guarantee. It might work for you, but there are least chances, because everybody is different. Their strengths are different. Everything is different. Okay, तो उसका बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. So basically what I means is कि it is different. Okay, you cannot just apply एक से मतलब आप दूसरे पे कुछ चीज अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज पहले सक्सेसफुल हो गई तो अब भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगी. इट इज नॉट गुड, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, एंड देयर इज नो गारंटी ऑफ सक्सेस इन इट. ऑलराइट, so besides there are so many other unknown factors to be considered. This kind of complex complacency and false sense of security may actually lead to failure instead of success. That is absolutely true. Yeah, I know it sounds very brutal कि अगर ऐसा कुछ करेंगे तो आप पक्का सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगे, लेकिन दिस इज ट्रू. यू नो, अगर इस चक्कर में आप एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी रखकर आप अगर कोई दूसरा प्लान अगर फॉलो कर लेते हैं, अगर आप ये सोच लेते हैं कि यू नो एक वो सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी नहीं है आप में, आप मतलब आपको तो लग रहा है लेकिन एक्चुअल में वो नहीं है. आपको लग रहा है कि 99% वाले को पूछेंगे तो एनीवे मैं पास हो जाऊंगा, जो जो उसने किया है उसको आगे. लेकिन ये आपको लग रहा है, आपके पेरेंट्स को लग रहा है, पर इन रियलिटी विल बी डिफरेंट, विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट. Okay, so if somebody has done this, so I'm not saying do not take advice from people. Take advice, do hard work, believe on yourself, but use your own strategy. Don't don't work with somebody else. Zaruri nahi, you don't need to go with somebody else's strategy. You have to have your strategy. ये हो सकता है कि you should keep the factors in your mind which the topper has kept, but you should have your strategy. Okay, so yeah, come back to here. So basically ये कहने का मतलब है इन मतलब लाइक एक जो ये false sense होता है कि I am having sense of security because last time work किया था, this time also work, will actually lead to the failure. Okay, it will आपका जो विजन है कि हमें सक्सेस मिल जाएगी ये वो, it will lead to failure because mostly it cannot happen. Okay, basically as practical as that, it just cannot happen. Okay, that is it. So however, despite its limitations, planning is not a useless exercise at all. It is a tool to be used with caution. Okay, so you have to have that measures जो आपको साथ साथ में लेने हैं, ये एक base provide करता है analyze करने के लिए. So it is not the solution of all the problems, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप बिल्कुल ये यूजलेस है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. ऑलराइट, ओके. सो अभी जो एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हैं, जो एक्स्ट्रा कंटेंट है व्हिच इज नॉट इन योर बुक, जो थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाइड तरीके से मैंने इसमें लिख दिया है, सो इट वुड बी इजी. सो फोरकास्टिंग के लिए लिमिटेशन है, फोरकास्टिंग वाली. सी, forecasting जो है वो basis है planning का. Okay, we have studied that facts and data should be reliable, accurate for successful planning. Otherwise, planning will not successful. Okay, so ये facts और जो भी data है, जो भी accuracy आपको रखनी है, it is fact, data, आपकी accuracy हो गई, या फिर आपके जो भी reliable sources हैं, वो सब इतने accurate और इतने proper तरीके से होने चाहिए कि तभी आपकी जो प्लानिंग है it will succeed. It will actually succeed. Similarly, if the timings of forecast will be lengthy, then the accuracy of planning will be much lesser and the successful will be doubtful. Obviously, see, ये तो तब हो गया जब आपके पास में बिल्कुल accurate सब कुछ facts और datas हैं. Okay, that is what happened कि planning आपकी हो गई successful. When the analysis will be lengthy, no, the analysis will go lengthy, तो there is no guarantee कि आपकी accuracy proper तरीके से आ पाएगी. There is no guarantee because forecasting में लंबा analysis might have the sense of getting false results, getting wrong results. Okay, so जो accuracy है, it will be much lesser and success will be definitely doubtful, because obviously you can sense this, that it is very sometimes scary कि यार how can you forecast, how can you predict for such a long time कि तब ऐसा होगा, फिर ऐसा हो सकता है, फिर ऐसा हो सकता है, because the conditions are this, ऐसे वैसे conditions तो can change in one day. You see demonetization. I hope everybody is aware of this. Okay, so demonetization happened, and in one day, that was I guess 8 November 2016, I guess, right? So इस date को everybody was shaken, lots of money, you know, मतलब like कितने लोगों के पास में they were having lots of cash and I don't know what, but they lost because बहुत लोगों को नुकसान भी हुआ, बहुत कुछ हुआ, because nobody knew that demonetization is gonna happen, right? So basically what I mean is कि you should have a, a data, you should have a analysis, but it should not be very long. अगर लंबा होगा तो you will have so many problems. That is it. All right. Next, flexibility, which we have done, but let's take it through a simple way. Mein. All right. So planning lacks sufficient flexibility, so the managers become non-enthusiastic and do not take full interest in the business enterprise. See, planning में flexibility नहीं होती है. There is rigidity. Yes, you can change plan, लेकिन जो plan है वो basis वही होता है. ठीक है, आपको उसी हिसाब से चलना रहता है. तो उस प्लान में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं होने के कारण इट इज क्वाइट रिजिड एक्चुअली. तो प्लान में रिजिडिटी होने के कारण जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं दे विल बी लाइक नॉन एंथुसियास्टिक. ओके, दे विल नॉट एक्टिव. Okay, they will be non-active members of the organization who has no enthusiasm, no excitement to behave good, no excitement to look towards that. They will not have any interest in the business enterprise. They will only take their work, their orders, and they follow. Okay, that is the thing. It will reduce the creativity first. It will reduce the morale of the employee, as they say that हमारी क्या जरूरत है भाई, we are doing अपना काम, you know, that is the thing. So that is what happened. So as comprehensive planning will be, it will be equally non-flexible for sure. The reason being that necessary revision in planning in consonance with circumstances becomes necessary. Okay, यही this is the reason because आप अगर प्रॉपर तरीके से सर्कमस्टांसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए जो नेसेसरी चेंजेस हैं, इफ यू वोंट टेक इन द प्लानिंग, नो, it will be very difficult to implement that first. Then there will be so many questions happened in the employees also. Suppose जो अपनी हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री है, ओके, अभी this is the, I think this is the best example. So the health ministry and the central government has planned so many things for the corona thing, right? They have planned so many things. They have planned मतलब कि कैसे पेशेंट्स को रखना है, या क्या क्या कितने वेंटिलेटर्स चाहिए, what happens, ये वो whatever it is. Now when on the ground level, जो ground level पे doctors हैं, okay, it might possible that they have different ideologies. They have different ideologies to handle this problem, to handle the patient. If those doctors can मतलब like you know cannot convey their problem so that ये अपने plan में flexibility ला सके, so because situations are very different na? Day by day situation is getting worse. Okay, then when the health ministry will not listen to that those doctors for the flexibility and for the changing the plans according to the situation will get more worse. Okay, it will get worse और भी ज्यादा, because जो ground level पे काम कर रहे हैं they know the reality. Okay, they know this plan is working or not. If this is not working, what other plan can be taken? So that is how it is, and that is how plan works. That is how everything works. All right. So that is there. Now stiffness initiatives, that is there. So the employees stifle the feeling of initiation among the employees due to rigidities of planning, which compels the managers and employees to follow and act according to decided systems. Okay, so basically you know there will nobody would even try to take any initiative. Okay, क्योंकि अभी हम कोई इनिशिएटिव क्यों नहीं ले सकते जो एम्प्लॉइज है वो, बिकॉज the plan will already drawn. ओके, वो ऑलरेडी प्लान होगा और वो आपको बस फॉलो करना है. यू विल बी सेड दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो द प्लान, यू नीड टू you know act according to the systems. Okay, you need to act and follow according to the systems, according to the methods, the programs, policy, rules and plans, okay, in which they cannot make any type of change or revision in their personal capacity. So abhi if they need bhi, if they need any sort of changes according to the condition, they cannot. Okay, they cannot change, they cannot revise the plan. When they cannot revise कि ये नहीं ये हो सकता है, they cannot do. Okay, so as a result जो initiative है officers का and employees starts stifling. Why? Because they don't feel any sense of participation in the planning in their work. They are only doing what they want to do. There is organizing mein we will be gonna read about the employees participation, on motivation maybe we are gonna do. All right, so yes, so basically it is like that. So methods, programs, policies, whatever it is, so ये सब जो भी है ये आपने जो बनाए हैं, you anyway need to follow that. Okay. Emergencies. So during the occurrence of emergencies, planning is either not possible or else difficulties are faced in their implementation, due to which planning is to be left. The reason being that at some times much of thinking and understanding. See, just a second now. So basically what it is that कोई भी planning में आपको change लाना हो या कोई emergency हो जाए तो there will be like lots of difficulties जो आपको implementation में आएगी, because जो plan आपने किया है वो बिल्कुल ही छूट जाएगा because आपकी conditions वैसी नहीं है. Suppose like emergencies, कुछ भी emergencies आ सकते हैं, right? So the reason being at such times much of thinking and understanding is not possible. Decisions are to be taken very quickly. So that is what it is, where you know you will be like कि यार जब, see, you know the meaning of word emergency, right? So क्या होता है कि emergency मतलब like it can be as vicious as we can think. Okay, so at that time you have to change your plan first. You cannot stick on your previous plan first. Okay, and in that in that situation you have to take decisions very quickly. Okay, you just cannot बैठ के पूरा कुछ analyze नहीं कर सकते हो. It is not possible. So you have to have like जो भी आपके decisions हैं उनको बहुत ही quickly you have to understand that. Okay, you have to move forward with that. So ये advantage और disadvantage है planning के, ये मतलब इन organization में इनका बहुत important role है. Emergency का I can give you the example where so the let's take an example of economy of India. Okay, there were जब last financial budget आया था, there were like huge plans for the there were different schemes. Okay, there were different funds which has been raised by the government and assured us that ये इसमें use होने वाला है, ये उसमें use होने वाला है, whatever. And these funds अभी कहाँ allocate हो रहे हैं in this corona situation, we doesn't even know. Okay, abhi inka allocation, it might have been allocated different at different places because the priorities has been changed. The जो ऐसी conditions तो जब plan financial plan बनाया तब किसी ने सोची भी नहीं होगी. So this is a time where the emergency happened. Okay, so इस time पे ये सब चीजें हो जाना, these are very difficult. So ये emergency है, यहाँ पे you have to first change your plan. जो आपने plan किया है वो कुछ काम नहीं आने वाला. Then you have to take decisions very quickly for there will not such ऐसा कुछ time वाइम मिलेगा आपको to thinking and understanding मिला, but not as the previous plan. All right, so you have to quickly decide what you want to do and you will proceed with that. Right, so that is what the limitation of planning कि emergencies में it is not helpful. It शायद उल्टा भी पड़ सकता ऐसा. All right, next, frustrating work. Okay, so अभी ये समझ में नहीं आएगा नाम पढ़ के. Let's see what it is. So in real life, preparing plans is frustrating to work. Sometimes planning remains unsuccessful since this is a frustrating task. Sometimes planning remains unsuccessful in difficult and frustrating works. So it is difficult because you need to plan, you need to visualize. ओके आपको सब कुछ ही पूरा विजुअलाइज ही करना है कि अगर ऐसा करेंगे, मतलब अगर ये करेंगे तो इसका इम्पैक्ट ये होने वाला है. ओके दैट इज योर प्रिडिक्शन, दैट इज योर ओनली प्रिडिक्शन विच हैज बीन हैपेंड, दैट इज द ओनली criteria of yours that has happened. Okay, so that is what it is. So this is, it should not be done this way. You have to so it will be very frustrating that you know kya matlab we are keep on thinking, we are keep on planning, what if it will not work. Okay sometimes इसलिए काम नहीं करता क्योंकि आप सोचते हैं कि ये बड़ा ही frustrating task है, something like that, or sometimes it will be very difficult to understand. Okay तो उस कारण से वो वर्क नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज प्लानिंग इज डिफिकल्ट. ऑब्वियसली इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू डिसाइड your success and failures in different ways. Nobody decide their failures, they only plan for their success. Okay when it becomes unsuccessful it is very disheartening. Okay so that is what it is. So it is a frustrating work. Limitations may you can add this. Now opposition to changes. Now what it is, see, so it is really it is a reality that managers often oppose changes in planning. ठीक है ये reality है जहाँ पे managers as we see earlier in the last lecture भी managers जो है वो actually oppose करते हैं कि यार क्यों आपको changes लाने हैं planning में, why do you want to change मतलब like have change in the planning. Most of the managers give more importance to the present time than the future. They show disinterest towards changes, obviously because only they have decided, they will show the disinterest. Okay so they मतलब like वो अपना वो यही बताएंगे कि हम we don't need to change the plan, whereas planning जो है वो एक dynamic process है, वो change होती रहती है. It actually required changes circumstances के according. You required changes, you required so many changes. Such an outlook of the managers also brings setbacks of future planning. In outlook से इन सब चीजों से ही एक वो बैठता है कि इसी रवैये, मतलब ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, इसी रवैये से you think that this is not gonna work, this is not happening. Okay so this is what it is, this is how it forms, this is how it does, because the changes you form the जो changes which is required to form according to the circumstances, if it doesn't happen, so you will have like least chances to get succeed. You will have obviously and इसके outcomes बहुत सारे हैं. लोग initiative लेना बंद कर देंगे. There will no sense of motivation in the employees. Okay then there will no sense of sense of participation in the employees कि यार हम कुछ participate भी कर रहे हैं. तो it will lead to less enthusiasm in the employees. So basically क्या है कि अगर ये सब चीजें नहीं होगी, changes will not happen according to circumstance, सबसे पहली तो बात है कि आपका plan successful नहीं होगा. Okay your plan will not get succeed at all, वो successful नहीं होगा. दूसरा ये कि ये सारी दिक्कतें भी आने लग सकती है. So these can be possible and they are possible. All right now psychological barriers. Now what are these? So an important barrier in the formulation and implementation of plans take, like most of the people, executives also give more importance to present than future. The reason being that present is more secure than the future and is more desired also. See ये एक psychological barrier है जो आप एक psychological मतलब तो पता ही है कि जो वो आपके बीमारी टाइप की दिमागी हर्डल है ये, क्योंकि we only give priority, मतलब most of the people give priority to their present कि अभी के हिसाब से ठीक चल रहा है ना, आगे देखेंगे. ये सबका होता है. ठीक है तो फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म बेनिफिट्स, फॉर short term benefits and short term success, you are losing the race of long term. Okay you are losing long term benefits and that is not at all good for you. See why? Because I'll give you an example. When the age of 18 to 25. Okay I don't think so you guys, yeah, you guys are around 17, 18, right? So basically this is what it is being said by every parent, that this is the age where you will grow, and this is the age, this can be the age where you will you will go down, and you will there will be like these chances for you, things are possible. And वो ऐसा एक डायलॉग है एक मूवी का, or my father has said to me, I don't remember, that if you will work hard for 4 years, your 40 years will be secured. Okay, and if you need to like enjoy these 4 years, your 40 years will be destroyed. तो ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल बैरियर नहीं है, मतलब साइकोलॉजिकल बैरियर प्लानिंग में है, लेकिन यहाँ पे दिस इज द एक्यूरेट calculation which every youth can make, because this is the age where you want to enjoy, you want have fun, you have want everything. Today's generation is like at the peak. Okay, they think they are the king only, they don't know the reality of life where you have to survive, and after some point of time these sort of enjoyment and short-term benefits you won't be there, not even the long-term benefits would be there if you won't work hard. Okay, similarly planning mein bhi aisa hi hota hai, managers only think about the present, or they only think about the present condition, what which has been made ki acha ye chalo ye, if this is working so it is all good. They don't think about long term, they don't think about long term benefits, because they only they will only get this ki okay this is what is happening, this is okay, this is gonna work, aise chal raha hai, chalne do, ye wo jo bhi hai. So this is how it is, this is how it becomes a limitation, it becomes a barrier. It should not be like that. And please remember this example of 4 and 40 year. Okay, this is 4 and these are 40 years of your life. Okay, so please remember this also. All right, so that is the psychological barriers. So besides, several such things are included in plans which are opposed by executives on the plea that these are not implementable. Thus now you know the limitation of planning in the management. Okay, see, देखिए जैसे कि आपको पता है बहुत सारे plans में बहुत सारे changes can be happened, changes has been happened. Okay, which are opposed by the executives. Okay, the executive has been opposed those, because see what happens is कि जब आप कुछ भी implement नहीं करते, when something is not implementable, अगर आपको ये सुनने को मिल जाए कि ये implement हो ही नहीं पाएगा, तो your there will no motive of yours to मतलब take that initiative. तो ये एक वो बन जाता है कि नहीं हम present में ही रहेंगे, हमारा present secure है, let's not think about future for the time being. So that would become a limitation, and that is the psychological barrier. Okay, as a limitation. So these were the limitations of planning. Okay, let's quickly revise. Let me change the ink first. Okay, what should I choose? Red. All right, so these are the limitations. वापस से फटाफट से एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. Future events की uncertainty होती है बहुत. As I said, it is a costly process, and cost includes time also. Okay, that you need to remember. Then it is a time consuming process as well. There is lack of accuracy, as long term plans के लिए, long term visualization के लिए there is lack of accuracy which is there. Now difficulty in the selection of best alternative, as you have to choice from several alternatives and you have to choose the best. So there are difficulties. There is quite rigid process. So there is the limitation of flexibility. Flexibility नहीं हो पाती है because you just cannot change the plan according to the circumstance. It is not every time possible. So there is lack of flexibility. Now psychological barriers, as we just have done, that they only think about present, and they are not looking for the future, the long-term benefits, right? So these are the limitations, these are the processes which has happened. All right, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the last lecture, that is the planning process. It will be quite long, about an hour. I'm not separating that in two lectures. I will be taking in the one lecture because the whole process has been made. So that I'm gonna take. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll see you soon. Please be disciplined and do your best. Okay, and go through these lectures. These will be like just a second. Yeah, these will be like very helpful to you. And secondly, the you know you are just reading your book, your textbook, so you don't need to worry that we are not covering textbook. I am covering your textbook only, so you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to do hard work and be very, very disciplined. All right, okay, thank you so much.